Manipur is making its presence felt in the ongoing 37th National Games Goa in the arena of the newly introduced discipline PENCAK SILAT with a haul of 3 gold and 5 bronze medals in its maiden appearance. In the much-awaited and keenly watched final of the PENCAK SILAT's trading bout Manipur's Sanasam Sophia Chanu at the Campbell Sports Complex, Panaji, won the gold, making the grand appearance visible at the National Games. With the goal earlier won by Yaikom Anjali Devi in training and Sinam Chinkai and Sinam Jivand, the Manipur team has successfully amassed 3 gold medals in the discipline. The 5 bronze medals won by Nauram Boinau, Huidrom Bishant, Yaikom Kiran, Samjit Chabam Vidyalaxmi, Tingbaijum Dayalaxmi and Thokchom Benau make the medal tally of 3 gold and 5 bronze earlier for the state by PENCAK SILAT. We are happy with the performance of our young players and could have won more. The injury sustained during the boats was unfortunate and we had to settle with bronze medal this time, L. Ranjit Singh, the team coach, said.
Championship asida ikoi PENCAK SILAT Manipur yonadi achauba mai pa ko amani haina lawi aduga ikoi yamna ngaitaba thawdo khara ikoi gi sanaroi singi manungda asokpa yauduna ikoi hospital da audio jimak hospital da ikoi treatment tawduna laibasi yauri aduna asokpa ahum mari yauduna maram warga ikoi medal khara henan Hanglam gado batu aikoi injury na maram oraga medal ani hom aikoi na expect to bodagi aikoi 130 bachi aikoi ngai tab hawi injury leram dragati aikoi yam drabda medal tara lawgani haina asa toram mani adu laibaki bodi asoka pon khare yaw bodagi aikoi medal dili aikoi na kanja badu makti yaw kidre adu yaw draga so aikoi goal ahum maduga pro Mga lawan medal ni Nepal di koi Manipur koi na PENCAK SILAT di mai kai de koi lawan nam jare hai ba ko pam ji